Hello, today I'm going to show you how to repair a leaking shower valve cartridge to save money by doing it by yourself. So we need to get a plier and open up this knob cover by turning it counterclockwise. Then let's use a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew it. In some cases, removing this knob could be very challenging because of the hard water that have built up on it over the years. So be very careful when removing this one, as obviously it's very hard to remove. But in case you break it, just replace the knob itself. Okay, I broke it, so I will have to replace it as I have an old knob with me. So this is how we are going to repair the issue of this leaking cartridge. First is we need to pull out this rubber, and then I'm gonna show you what's inside of this. These ceramic parts are what's inside of this cartridge. These two parts are the ones that's responsible for the flowing and stopping of the water. When you close your shower, the hole would disappear. When you open it, the hole would appear and comes the water. So that's basically the mechanism. So over time, hard water builds up on this surface of this ceramic disc. So we need to sand it a little bit using this. I'm going to use this 1500 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to clean its surface to make them tight when we put them back together. This way you don't have to spend any money at all. Okay, let's put them back. This part goes into these two little grooves. Okay, this surface that we sanded goes inside on those two little grooves. Okay, since it's leaking, okay, let me show you. If you close it, I hope you can see it. That's how it goes. If you open it, it goes like that. Since the surface, there's already leaking in here, we need to put some sort of rubber to make them fit towards each other, because this rubber is no longer enough. So if you can see, I already made a hole on this rubber, and I made a circle mark, and I will cut it. This is from an interior of an old tire. So if you have this, that would be great. But if you don't have, you just try to look around your house and make something of any rubber that could fit into this kind of job. Okay, let me cut it. Okay, it's not perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in here, there, and put this back on. So that's the job of that rubber. Let's put it back. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.